Are you looking for a home that truly defines luxury living? One might call it a golfer's paradise? Well, I have just the home for you. Sernoskie with Royal PhD Realty, and today I'm at my newest listing. We're just steps away from the prestigious Eagle Creek Golf Course. We're located about 40 minutes northwest of downtown Ottawa and 20 minutes from Kanata. We're surrounded by nature and some of the best scenes the area has to offer. And here it is, 108 Royal Troon Lane. This custom bungalow offers a luxurious lifestyle inside and out. Sitting on almost a 1 acre lot, this home has been renovated from top to bottom. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by this huge oversized driveway, a detached double garage with a heated insulated workshop, and all this brand new interlock, which really sets the stage for what's to come inside. As we step inside, you're immediately going to notice this open concept living space where no detail's been overlooked. From things like the oak hardwood flooring to all the tile, custom cabinetry, light fixtures, countertops, you name it, everything's been done to this house. This is such a great front entryway too. As you see with the foyer, there's a custom bench here, perfect place to sit down, put on your boots if you need to when you need to go outside. And also you have custom cabinetry here, perfect for your jackets, those types of things. This space is truly an entertainer's dream. You can see this kitchen. We're highlighted by this massive island. You have stainless steel appliances and even just the finer details like the upper glass cabinets and all the black hardware, which is kind of a common theme throughout the entire house. Even over here, you have this pot filler that's right above the gas cooktop, which is a great feature. As I mentioned before, we have this massive open concept living space. It just flows so nicely into the dining room. You can see we're highlighted by this beautiful accent wall. You also have the dry bar over here. There's a full wine rack connected with it. And then also lots of natural light from these windows, and you can also see some of that peace and tranquility that's outside. And stepping off the dining room into this wing of the house, we have another full bathroom, and then we have this beautiful second bedroom with a bay window, currently set up as a baby's room, but it also could be a home office, and these cabinets are movable. To finish off the main living area, you can see we have vaulted ceilings here in the living room, and it's highlighted by this amazing stone wall for the fireplace. That's a gas fireplace, by the way. We have skylights above, and then one of my favorite features of the home, there's a 3-season screened in porch. Such an amazing space to have your morning coffee or even a glass of wine to unwind at the end of the day. Now to finish off the main floor, you have your primary bedroom oasis. This is such an amazing setting to wake up in the morning. If you look out, you have such beautiful windows that let in a lot of natural light, and you can just see there's lots of space in this room. Flowing this way, you actually walk through your closet into the bathroom. You can see such a great space here. There's lighting, custom cabinetry. You even have quartz countertops here for when you want to do your laundry. It's just a great space. I can't say enough words about this bathroom. It's ultra luxurious. It rivals so many 5-star hotel bathrooms. You know, you have a soaker tub, you have the shower with the rain head. There's even a private door for your toilet. And then not to mention, we have dual sinks, custom cabinetry, kind of the same theme that you've seen throughout the house. You have a one-of-a-kind room like this, your very own golf simulator. This is such an outstanding space. Really excited actually to hit a golf shot for you. Oh, it was pretty straight. But again, such a unique feature of this house. The other thing is though that this room can sub as another living space or even a bedroom. There's the ability to be able to put a door there. So again, very flexible with the space. It doesn't have to be just a golf simulator room. Well, now we're heading down into the lower level of the home. And immediately stepping down here, you just see how huge this space is. You actually have like 2 living spaces down here. You have this man cave area or woman cave. And we come over here, and this is just another huge space that's awesome if you want to entertain, watch movies, or watch the big game. This basement just has so much to offer. There's even an additional bedroom in here. And then if we head down the hall this way, we have another full bathroom and then this awesome gym that's set up right now. The thing with this gym is kind of just like the golf simulator room. You could also set this up as an office or maybe even a guest bedroom. I know there's no window, but the space is very, very flexible in that regard. I already mentioned the screened-in porch and what a great space it is. And do you love this house as much as I do already? Because you're gonna love it more. check out this amazing composite deck space. You're highlighted by this awesome gazebo. There's a hot tub as well, and you really get a good vantage point on how big your yard space actually is. You can see there's a fire pit out there, perfect if you want to have a night under the stars. And the last thing that we just don't want to overlook with this house is the 2-car garage with the heated insulated workshop. Truly an amazing space for the handyman to park your vehicles or any of your toys. This property just has so much to offer inside and out. And if you want to get some more information on this listing, just click the link in the bio and we'll see you in the next video.